So I have a GoPro Hero 8 Black, and I love it. I love it to death. The quality that this thing pumps out is just simply amazing, especially for the price. I also ordered the medium mount, and I love that thing too. If you don't have one and you have a Hero 8, please get it. It's definitely worth it. Well, with that said, I'm not really a vlogger. I don't plan on vlogging that much, but I would like to make a few videos here and there talking to you guys. I'm not the best talker, but just bear with me. So I was researching mics to purchase, and everyone kept saying, get the purple Panda. Purple Panda, purple Panda. I watched YouTube videos on it, and for what you get for the price, you can't beat it. So I purchased it, and it really is amazing. You get all these mounts, you get all these connections, these adapters. You really can't go wrong with it. I think I paid like, I don't know, $29 shipped or something like that. And so I see how they mount it to their GoPros, to their helmets, and then connect it to their GoPro. Oh. I did the same exact thing. I was actually following Chase on Two Wheels, his step-by-step process. And so I plug it in, and they're like, hey, plug it in, you should go out and record. So I go out and record, and all I hear is nothing but wind. So I get home, and I'm like, all right, maybe the connection wasn't in. I can't talk. I got all this dust in my eyes right now. Anyways, maybe the connector wasn't in correctly. So I tried again the next day. Same thing. I get nothing but wind noise. Can't even hear my voice. Not at all. Kind of upset. I know you have to have the adapter that Purple Panda includes for the GoPro. It's on the connector itself. The one that's hooked up to the Purple Panda directly, I think it's a 3 black ring connector. Don't ask me what those rings stand for, I don't know. But anyway, they include a 2-ring adapter, and that's the one you want to use for the GoPro. And I already had that on, so it wasn't that. I found out the hard way. What are you doing? I found out the hard way that with my problem, maybe it's just a me problem, I don't know, but when I would record, I would hit the quick record button on top of the GoPro and start recording that way. For some reason, like I said, I don't know if it's just a me problem or if this goes for all GoPros with mics, or maybe just the Purple Panda specifically. But every time I would hit the quick record on top of the GoPro, it would automatically use the front microphone of the media mod, and I could not figure out what was going on. There was nothing about it. No one else has reported this, at least to my knowledge. So I was screwing around with it one night, and I'm on my phone. I had my phone connected to my GoPro. I wanted to see what was happening, like what it said as far as when I hooked the mic in, if it says that it's plugged into a mic, or if it still says you know, that the front mic is being used. So sure shit, as soon as I plug the mic in, it says standard mic. So I'm like, huh, So I tested it out, and there it went. It worked. It worked flawlessly. So the following time I went out, the one thing I changed up was I decided to hit record from my phone. So I don't know if you just saw me screwing around my phone, and the previous video as well, I was screwing around with my phone. I had to go through the GoPro app. I double checked to make sure that mic was selected, and after that was selected, I hit the record button on the phone, and it seems to work no problem that way. So like I said, I don't know if that's just a me problem, or maybe my software is out of date, or if it's a specific thing to the Purple Panda mic. I don't know, but that's the way I've got to do it. And to be honest, it's kind of annoying. Ah, shit! I forgot about the construction up here. Damn it. So that was my solution to that problem, if you even call it a problem. Maybe I just don't know how to use it. But I don't know if any of you guys are having the same problems, but if you are, maybe try doing it that way. It might help. It definitely helped for me, though. I was definitely frustrated at first, though. Pretty upsetting. I was about to return the mic. But that's just a quick tip. If you guys are having problems with your GoPro recording audio, if you have the media mod. Now, a lot of you guys probably have older GoPros and have the mic adapter already, so you probably don't even need a media mod. But I highly suggest the media mod, just because it's an all-in-one package. It has what, 2 hot shoes on it, 2 microphones, I believe. I think it's got front and a rear microphone. Plus you can what size is it? Is it a 3.5mm jack that you can hook up your own microphone to the back? So yeah, I highly recommend it. I don't know how much it is anymore. I think I got it, I was on like one of the pre-orders, and I think it was like, I don't know, 80 bucks, somewhere around there. Yeah, it is. Oh, so dusty. Oh shit, dust in my eyes. Fuck, it's too hot for this. So yeah, maybe it'll help you out, help some of you guys out if you're having that same issue. I don't see many people having that issue, so maybe it's just a me problem. I don't know. It probably is. I'm kind of not all there, so you know. But yeah, that's just a tip. Quick tip.